Xiamen Golden Luck Trade Company Limited was established in 2001, located in the beautiful coastal city of Xiamen. We have 32 staff working in import and exports, QC, research and development, all of whom have at least 3 years of experience in foreign trade. Our well-educated staff ensure that we supply high quality and good service to our clients. Our 15 different factories across China produce 400 models of bird feeders and birdhouses in different materials, such as metal, plastic, wood, and glass, so there's plenty for you to choose from. Our main product line began as arts and crafts items, but since 2002, we have expanded into the bird feeder industry. Since then, we have established long-term and friendly business relationships with clients from the USA, Canada, Belgium, Germany, the United Kingdom, France, Spain, and India. With the support of our clients and the hard work of our staff, our business is growing steadily and the annual turnover has reached $4 million. We sincerely hope to cooperate with you to fulfill the needs of your bird-loving customers.